Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You need proof now. Capture screenshots of the fake profile, matching posts, and any direct messages that show they are impersonating you. Once done, copy the profile URL and note exact usernames and timestamps. These are essential for review. Make sure to prepare a government ID photo of the person impersonated and write a concise statement saying you are being impersonated and why. You submit this evidence immediately through Instagram's impersonation report flow, so don't delay. Now you'll fill the platform forms precisely. Choose Pretending to Obsomion and attach your ID and the screenshots you saved. If this involves a business, include trademark or business registration to strengthen the claim. Once submitted, monitor the in-app inbox and email for a case ID, log it. If initial response is slow, escalate via Facebook Help Center and use the appeals process. Attach the same documents and reference the case ID to push the review forward. After action, confirm the fake account was removed and save the platform's confirmation and case ID. Then secure your accounts. Change passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and alert followers about the impersonator. Once the username is freed, request transfer if appropriate. If the report is denied, don't stop. Refile immediately with stronger proof, consider a DMCA or trademark complaint if applicable, or consult legal counsel for an official cease and desist to compel takedown.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.